Hey, 1.8 linear inequalities. Why are you so slow?
Can't blame the staplers.
I did not know staplers had a mind of their own so that they could be stupid.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's operator error.
Usually operator error. Yes, thank you, Michael.
You got that from a lot.
All right. I will give you 3 examples, I think, ish. So it could be 4. But I think 3 will suffice. I'm going to be asking you guys a lot of questions to verify that you are good individually on linear equations as well. It'll kind of give me some guidance for the test, okay? All right, so somebody named Gabby can give me the slope of that linear equation, inequality, what? Okay, so be careful. Okay, somebody named Trevor, y-intercept. Close. Positive 2. Okay, so if you're solving for y, there's your first step. Remember, when you divide or multiply by a negative, what happens? Yeah, your sign goes from stupid to smart. Here's your sign. Yeah, negative 1y. Yeah, so. Ooh, that one's lovely. What? Anybody? The line is dotted because strictly less than. Yeah, dash. So, not quite. Maybe a week. So that means it's dashed. So plus 2, slopes 2. Above or below? Yeah. So that means it has to be in y equals form to do that rule. Okay. So it has to be like this if you're going to use that above-below rule. Does anybody else know the other test? Yeah, I always use that one because it's really easy. So 0 greater than. Is that true? Okay, false. Swim away, right? So if that's 0, 0, we're going to shade away from it. Good there? Alrighty then. How's about this one? Just so you were elaborating. Okay, solid line. Slopes 1. Okay, what do these two numbers tell me?
One of the two to be negative over 2.
So I have 2 left or 1 left? Who's going to win?
2 left.
1 to the left. Okay, 1 left. And that means 2 down. Okay, inside the bars, this is where you have to be careful. Inside the bars is the opposite. Outside is the same. It gets kind of confusing. Okay, so get that right. Outside here is the up and down, and it goes with it. So we're going to go 2 down, but this is the opposite. So left one. Yep. So it should look in a slope of 1. Should look something like that. Yeah? Where do I shade? What does this tell us? Less than or equal to is below. You can, again, do the test of a point. Do you want me to do the test on here? Just to show you? Some people. So if you test that point, you get 0. Oh, that's 1 minus 2. Is that true? No, false. So you shade away. So there's 0, 0. Shade away from it. We're still there? Good? Anybody not good? Okay. Wow. We're moving pretty quickly here. That's good. All right. -1. Have you seen these before? Compound inequalities? Yes. So that's the vocab. It's called a compound inequality. I like to split it into 2 equations. One and 2. You with me on that? Most of the time, you're going to shade right in between these. You're going to draw the lines, and it shades right between. We'll make sure, but that's the idea. All right, so Kaylee, which one do you want to graph for us? Left? And Michael, you get the second one. Everybody's going to do it. Okay, so just the lines. You don't have to shade it if you don't want to, but just graph the lines. You two are going to tell me how to put it on the board. Okay? So go. Go ahead and graph each one of them. Kaylee and Mikey will give us the result. One on the right. The purple one. Okay, 30 more seconds. All right, Mikey, you're up. Mikey, you're up. Ladies first, let the children go first. You're up. How do you graph that one? We're doing that one right there.
You gotta graph it.
Yeah, how? Explain your methodology to us.
Well, here's the one you said.
So down one over one. Keep going. This is what you.
Oh,
Solid or dotted?
I don't like the dot.
More specific, please. Solid or dashed?
Solid.
Well, I guess I didn't follow your directions quite. Not for me. Maybe for government work, but not for me. Would I shade below or above that? You would go below because the resulting equation is. Okay, so what about this one, Kaylee?
If y is greater than negative x plus 1,
Okay.
and then y-intercept is negative 1,
Uh-huh.
and the slope is negative 1,
Uh-huh.
and then if you dash
Shade above or below?
above.
So we have an above and a below. It basically means you go right in the middle. You okay with those? Yeah? All right. Yes, sir. Thanks, Mikey, for reminding me of a fun show.
What show was that?
All right, ladies.
Is that what we were thinking?
That too. 8 and 23 are word problems. You have to write the inequality. 8 and 23 are word problems. You have to write the inequality. These are the reviews, so practice that up. Anything else that you can clear up? Good job being focused. We got through that faster than I thought we would. You have 20 minutes of work time. Yeah, 23, A through C. So, good time to get some help if you need it, even if it was from yesterday's work.